Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is a Electrolux refrigerator double side door. This is the model. Dear viewers, customers call me everything is okay. Then when you have come also everything is okay. Light are working and condenser fan also working. Everything working, but compressor only not just not running. This is the fault. Then finally we have checked there is no AC bolt present for compressor. That's why compressor is not running. Then finally we have checked by direct our compressor is okay, compressor is working. Then fault is the PCB board, so that's why we have removed the PCB board. Then we have to take it our store. So dear viewers, this the fault is only PCB board, because from PCB board it's not sending to the compressor AC voltage. So this is the main reason, the relay. So now I'll remove the relay, then I'll test relay is working or not. We have to use 12 volt for check the relay. If you don't have power supply, you can use the adapter also, 12 volt adapter. See dear viewers, no continuity, it's not showing continuity for compressor, so that's why it's there's no AC voltage present for compressor. So this is the new relay, 12 volt relay. See, it's showing continuity, so it's new relays. So it's actually fault is only relay. So I'll install now new relay. And tomorrow we'll go back to customer house. So it has fault only this relay. So I hope now the refrigerator will work. So dear viewers, after I have installed, so alhamdulillah, now compressor has started. Condenser fan not running because of the connector opened. We forgot to connect it. So alhamdulillah, now compressor is running, so it will be cooling inside, inshallah. So dear viewers, alhamdulillah, now it's cooling fine. And customer also, they call me, it's good. Now it's super cooling. So it was for only this relay. This video is I'm making after 2 or 3 days, when I repaired after 3 days. Now alhamdulillah, that refrigerator is working fine. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.